On the other side of the state, production continues without interruption at a Detroit Marathon refinery that caught fire Saturday. This while investigators try to determine what went wrong. The fire started in one of the smaller tanks around 7 o'clock, forcing a partial evacuation of Melvindale. One witness says it sounded like an explosion.
Yeah, we had a loud explosion, and I was looking at the back door really to see where our house. And then I just said, look up. I told my girl, look up for black smoke. We looked this way, and it went into the tank.
A company spokesperson says no one was hurt and everyone who was evacuated has been allowed back in their homes. They're still working to determine what caused that fire.